Hey guys, I'm Nancy, and this is our final speaking assignment. So for this assignment, my topic is over the technological advancements that we've had in schools over the years. I'll be going from really back in the day to about present day and a little bit of our future planning. So here we go, and I hope you guys like it. Now, back in the day, primary and secondary schools were lucky to have a few computers distributed across the school. Others had to share television sets throughout each year group. Over the years, schools have been asked what the biggest change for them was. An ex-school teacher said that strict discipline replaced by better relationships between pupils and teachers was the biggest change. This was because they had disciplinary measures that extended to physical discipline as well as educational. Now, other people that were given the same interview, teachers and just regular normal people or parents that take their kids to school every day, said that the use of interactive whiteboards and unlimited internet access have been the biggest change in school. Students are able to relate to the teachers, have fun with it, and still learn plenty in a wide variety of ways. Now, schools can struggle to afford the many high-tech devices that can be used in classrooms, such as the smart boards and the occasional tablets that are distributed throughout each school. These devices could cost thousands of dollars to install in each and every classroom or to have a classroom set, since very many schools are growing and it's just really hard to get over 40 tablets or more in each classroom. As technology becomes newer than our teachers, no pun intended, I promise it's not, pupils often know more about the electronic devices than our teachers, which can be both helpful and not very helpful, as there are very many troublemakers in schools nowadays. Now, an ex-history teacher, Miss N. Doherty, who taught in Derry, I'm not really sure where that is, was interviewed in the 1990s and gave a very useful statement that helps us understand why technology was so hard to use back in the day. Quote, "Technology mainly consisted of televisions and videos which were used occasionally as a treat," unquote, because in retrospect, we still consider those treats. They're still the greatest thing ever. Whenever a teacher is able to pull up a video or a movie that is educational and just gets us out of writing forever long. And she continued to say, quote, "I can remember starting to use internet in the school, but it was very limited and included so much text that it made using it not very user-friendly," unquote. But in today's present day, technology is very advanced and is still unreliable. Sometimes it's just easier to pick up a paper and pen and write down your notes instead of having to type forever long on a tablet. A survey showed that people who left school in 1996 or 1997 are more familiar with technology now than they were before. And electronic textbooks are becoming a newer thing that are coming to schools now with advantages but disadvantages as well. The biggest advantage is being able to reduce paper, save ink, and save trees as well. But our hardest disadvantage is being able to afford all of it, as it's hard to give all this money at once and not have enough for anything else later on. But schools find it easy even though it's overwhelming. Some schools are also wanting to make their buildings more green, as you would say. Designs for modern buildings and modern schools are fun, environmentally friendly, slick, and will be able to use more natural light instead of using our electric power. Smaller libraries are expected with more computer rooms as well. And the use of technology alongside traditional teaching methods supports flexibility and choice in the curriculum and extends learning beyond the school environment. That concludes my speech. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be watching.